Now for this video, let's look at writing inverse variation equations. So the directions here state that the variables x and y vary inversely. Use the given values to write an equation relating x and y. Then find y when x is equal to -2. Well, we know with inverse variation that means that y is equal to a over x. So I have y is equal to a over x. So we really want to find that value of a so that we can write an equation relating x and y. Well, I'm given the values that x equals 4 and y equals 3. So I'm going to plug those in. And so I have 3 is equal to y is equal to a over x, which is 4. And then solving that equation for a, I just need to multiply 4 on both sides. And so that gives me that 12 is equal to a. And so that means my equation that relates x and y is just going to be y is equal to 12 over x. Okay, and then the next part says to find y when x is equal to -2. So I have x is equal to -2, so I'm just going to plug that into my equation here. So I have y is equal to 12 over -2, and 12 divided by -2, I get that y is equal to -6. Okay, let's look at one last one. So here I have x equals 6 and y equals -1. So I know for inverse variation that its equation is y is equal to a over x. Plugging in my values, I get that -1 is equal to a divided by x, which is 6. And then solving this equation for a, I need to multiply both sides by 6. And so when I do that, I get that -6 is equal to a. And so that means my equation that relates these two values is going to be y is equal to -6 over x. Okay, and then that last part, we want to find y when x is equal to -2. So that means that y is equal to -6 divided by -2, and I get that y is equal to 3.